Good sleep?
Very good. Enjoying this fresh climate.
Handshake, hot photo.
Thanks a lot for your hospitality.
Yes, I'm good. Yeah.
Oh,
That's good.
Thank you.
Okay, you'll have a meeting. So.
Ma ütlen, ma näitan sulle seest, kui võib, eks.
Kui võib mida?
Kui võib lasta, ma juba tulen. Väga hea.
Kuvaustilaisuus tulee.
Hyvää huomenta. Okei. No niin.
Terve. Laivalla. Hyvä. Irallista.
Kiitos.
Kiitos.
Sorry?
Hello, good morning.
Here.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Oh, yes.
Yes, thank you. After all these good community.
Yes, today.
Helpful one, not sleep. New picture for today.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, see you later.
See you.
Yesterday.
Did you get some sleep?
Yeah. Tonight was unfortunately short because light goes early. Late.
Disturb you?
No.
It's not. It's in the picture. Tomorrow, today.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for showing me this rounds yesterday. Wonderful dinner. Good chats. So, good luck for your presidency.
Did you get some sleep?
Yes, most probably. So,
Okay, take a picture.
Yes, good morning. Thank you for the wonderful dinner. It was fantastic. Thanks, I'm looking forward to the discussions today. Thank you.
Good morning.
good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Mr. How are you? Morning. Very, very good dinner. Excellent. How are you? Wish you the best of luck.
Excellent. Okay, take a picture.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. What opportunity will be right now? Minister is right here. If you want to leave your...
Good morning.
Yeah, of course, it's very important. Climate change today. Thank you very much. Important issue.
Especially for
Morning.
Okay.
Morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you. So, let's-
Brought nice weather.
yes, I hope to arrange. But well, we have a small process.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sandros Netherlands. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. And thank you very much for inviting us. For great hospitality.
Yeah, but like,
Yeah.
okay, let's take a picture here also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Familiar place already.
Almost. Almost. It'll be a busy day today.
Very beautiful city. I'm very happy to be here. And this is the first time. First time? Yeah, first time. Not just the EU minister, but also African community.
Good morning. Hello again.
I'm like, you made it here. Let's take a picture. I'm safe.
Good?
Good. How are you?
Ah, excellent. It's fast and dipping. So, see you later.
It will be a busy day.
Okay.
Good morning. Yes, you can. I think I got the idea. Thank you. Because we are going to
Good morning. Good morning. Some formalities also.
Nice to meet you again. Pleasure. Take your seat. Yes.
morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine as well, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Minister. How are you? I'm Shmael. Nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you for the invitation.
Come, let's take a picture there.
Yeah. Good
Hello
morning
again.
again. Very good
Nice
to
to
see you.
see you.
Thank you. Minister, good morning.
Morning.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for this.
Come.
We're very pleased. Thank you, and we'll see you later.
Good morning.
Morning. Excellent. So, how are you this morning?
Yeah, great, thanks.
Great. Yeah, question to you actually, but maybe knows that we do this
Good morning. We will take care of your luggage for 1 minute.
morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Everything okay? Okay. Wasn't it too light?
No, not at all. Very good.
Take care of. I will take care of you. Okay?
Picture here.
Yes. Thank you for the dinner last night.
My name's Thomas Des.
Good morning. Good morning. one picture also.
Yes.
Maybe need to
Morning, Mr. Minister.
Morning. How are you?
Good. You're great.
Thank you. I like it.
Paldies ar šīm lietām līdz pēc fotografijas.
Morning. Okay. Yes. You can stay this way.
Good morning. Hello.
Nice to meet you. It's a beautiful day.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning. See you again.
Yes, very nice. It was a very nice sleep, yes. A beautiful day, as you told us.
Getting better.
Yes. Good morning.
Morning. See you again.
Thank you.
We have a photo of him in the morning. Maybe you want to leave your for just a minute.
Thanks a lot.
You need this back, right?
Yeah, I do. Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. Good to see you again.
Very much. Very nice night. Chef is excellent. Really good. The atmosphere is great. The local pencils are so delighted with this house, to be honest. wanted also to say something actually, but I thought somebody else would say it. So, when that happens, it's what you do, and you do your very best to just do anything you understand, and then they all get up to leave, and you say, oh, God. So, anyway, no, I wanted to do that anyway.
Okay,
So,
just take the
thanks a lot.
shot.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Do you have a chance to
Okay, okay. Today will be a busy day. Okay.
Morning, once
Good
more.
morning once again.
Thank you very much for your hospitality yesterday. بتقولوا كان يرفضوا
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very nice.
I remember the marriage. It was traditional. Okay. See you later. Thank you very much. Very, very nice trip. Basically, have enjoyed. No, I'm going to leave it.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ambassador.
Good to see you. Everything
Good
under
morning.
control,
Everything is under control.
Good morning.
delegation? It's we don't have a head of delegation. I don't want to.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good to see you again. You cannot control it.
Hello.
Boarding is 18:15. 8. Yes, we leave around 5. Okay, very good. Okay, we will be there. Yeah, going slowly but surely.
Absolutely.
Morning.
I'm ready for you.
We get some sleep.
Nice of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We'll have coffee before we start.
Thanks, Al.